Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the no text notification sound on Samsung. So if you're having this issue, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if you have the do not disturb mode turned on. So what you can do is simply swipe down and make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If this is enabled for you, this is the exact issue that you're facing. The second thing that you can try out is try to turn on the volume button on your phone and make sure that you head over to its settings. Make sure that the notifications as well as the ringtone as well as the media is enabled. You can further head over to the settings and make sure that these options are enabled as well. You can head back and inside of sound and vibrations, make sure that the sound is enabled instead of vibrate or mute, as well as make sure that the ringtone as well as notification sound is enabled for your device. And lastly, if none of these solutions still work out for you, then what this likely means is your phone is having glitches. So in order to solve phone glitches, you just need to restart your device. So just press and hold the power button on your phone and make sure you restart it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the no text notification sound on your Samsung device. I do hope this kind of video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.